Hi connoisseurs, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today we're doing something a little bit different and I'm going to be using my leftover mince to create something super delicious. So I had leftover bolognese and I was deciding what I'm going to make with it, so I decided to make these delicious meat and potato pies. Really quick, really easy, and the mince is not going to waste. So I started off by getting some oven-proof ramekins and layering a really thin layer of mince at the bottom. I then got these crispy potato slices from Asda, less than £1, so really affordable, and I made a layer of potato slices. This adds that little bit of texture and a little bit of carbs to your meal. It just adds that real special touch to it. If you don't have access to these crispy potato slices, then you can just get a normal potato, slice them up with either a mandolin or a knife, and you'll get the same sort of outcome. I then got some cheese and laid a layer of cheese down. Add as much or as little cheese as you want. Go crazy with it if you want. I then added another layer of mince. You want to add a lot of mince into the layers so that it's really nice and meaty, and that will really take it to the next level. So then do the same with the other one, add that mince layer, and then top with another layer of potato if you like. In the left one I added a layer of potato, and on the right one I just added cheese, so only one layer of potato. The reason for that is just to keep the calories down. So I topped off both pies with a little bit of mozzarella and a little bit of red Leicester. The mozzarella is just really good for that cheesy stringiness, and the red Leicester for the colour and taste. So that's what it looks like. You don't need to add any additional seasonings because everything is already seasoned. You then want to put it into the oven for roughly 5 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and you're going to get this super delicious meal made so quickly using all your leftovers. Nothing's going to waste, and just look at that. Look at the layers. The layers are super delicious. Add more cheese if you want that super cheesy stringiness, and this is the ultimate leftover meal that's going to impress your family as well as yourself. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you again on another recipe. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.